Hello. So, I want to show you a bit of my storage system that I've been cooking up for the past 2 weeks. This storage system is made using computer craft. Yeah, in my cabin notepad playthrough. So, yeah. How it works is you have like a server, I have downstairs, I'll show it in a second, and we have a client. So there are two tabs. It's a storage tab and player tab. Player tab is obviously player inventory. Storage tab is our storage. So storage is these two item silos. Item silo is basically like a vertical item vault from create. Yeah, so this big multi-block, and each of these like blocks can store 20 slots of items. So every slot is like 20 stacks basically. It can store 20 stacks of items. And overall there are like 3000 like what? Yeah, 3240 stacks in these two item blocks combined. So basically, yeah, here we have a list of items from our item silo, and here we have a list of items from our inventory. At the bottom, there are buttons, either get or send, like send into storage and get from storage, depending on the tab. There is also search functionality, and we can specify the amount of how much items we want to send and want to get. So, yeah, let me refresh it. Sometimes it's a bit buggy, but what can you do? Yeah, I'll need to polish the edges a bit. So basically, I can have this ancient brass, and let's say we want to send it into our storage system. We can press send, and boom, as you can see, no more ancient brass. And here it took, yeah, like sometimes it just stops refreshing, but it should refresh like in real time. So basically, if we get this, as you can see, yeah, opa, and no more receiving mechanism. Just like that. So we also have the storage, and let's say apatit, we want to request 2 stacks of apatit. So basically we specify like 128, 2 stacks, get, opa, we have the apatit. Yeah, so that's basically how it works. And there is apatit also, and you can send, and you can send it also, and yeah, send it. If you select the last item, it like does it like this. Yeah, I'll need to fix it a bit, but I want to get it working first, then polish it. So let us see the whole storage system. So here we have it. It consists of like our storage master, the brain, the DNS server, inventory manager peripheral, which enables us to send and request items from the storage. It's from the advanced peripherals mod. And our distributed cache system. Why do we need this distributed cache system? Well, it's pretty how can I say it? To get all of this item info, we need to iterate over every slot. So like in chest we have 27 slots. We need to iterate over every slot to get the detailed information. Because, let me show you. Here we have filter box at the top. We can wrap it. Wrap. Top. I can type. Yeah. So we can get the list of items pretty quick. But we're only getting the names, the count, and that's all. Oh, maybe NBT if the item has NBT. And as you can see, it's like just Tinker's contract site, while the actual name is Amethyst Bronze site. Yeah, so it's not really like there is not a lot of information given to us, but it's pretty fast. If we want to get actual detailed information, we have to use the function get item detail. And for example, if we call it on the first slot, we can see there is a lot of text on this side. Well, maybe we can just name. Not name, display name. Yeah. Display name. Yeah. Amethyst bronze site. As you can see, now we can get the full display name. But this get item detail, iterating over every slot with get item detail is pretty slow. Because let me show you. We can iterate over every slot, and let's do print get item detail I dot display not like this, display name, and we end new value. Yeah, but or none. Yeah, like this. Nah. Okay, whatever. Let's just print I, and then we can call the function. Just get item detail I, and yeah. So as you can see, it's pretty slow. Like it takes around like 10 milliseconds or so to iterate over each slot. So if we have 3240 slots, we're gonna be sitting here for like 5 minutes trying to iterate over every slot. So that's why we have this distributed cache system in which every computer is assigned a specific storage peripheral from our storage and a range of slots. So basically this one is from 1567 up to 1620. Yeah, like this one is from 1515 up to 1566. So yeah, and what they're doing, they constantly loop over their assigned slots, and also at the same time they listen for network requests, well, for computers asking for their like slot information. Yeah, so this computer exactly. It enables us to instantly get all of this information about our storage and not wait like 5 minutes for this computer to manually loop over every slot. So basically, yeah, that's it. That's like the whole complexity of this system. Right now it's a bit basic. As you can see, like you can just send items, request items, but it's pretty nice because you can, I don't know, like be somewhere else and just, oh, I need, I don't know, 2 stacks of arrow. Like you can do arrow, like what, 2 stacks, boom. Well, it's a bit more, but yeah, I'll have to fix it. But I mean, at least 2 stacks, you've got at least 2 stacks of arrows, so it's pretty nice. Yeah. And when you decide like you no longer want the arrows, you just boom, send, boom, boom, and boom. Yeah, no more arrows in your inventory. So as a way to remote access your storage, pretty like it's not like foolproof. It's not like 100% working like alternative to applied energetics or whatever. But I think it's pretty nice. Yeah, like at least as a proof of concept. Like I just need to refine it a bit more, and I think it will be great. Yeah, I also want to add like some auto crafting capabilities to it and stuff like that. So yeah, I think it's nice. So yeah, that's pretty much it. So goodbye.